Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some previous year questions from your seating arrangement types of questions. Now, the question reference is given over here. This is the exam, that is SSC MTS. The date and the shift is given for your reference. So let us look at question number 1. Question number 1 says that there are 8 boys, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and N, and they are sitting around a square table facing towards the center. So this is a question on polygon seating arrangement, correct? We discussed that there are 4 types of questions in your seating arrangement. The one is linear seating arrangement. Linear seating arrangement means everybody is sitting in a row, correct? The second one is circular. Everybody is sitting around a circular table or in a circle. Then polygons. Polygons means that they can sit in a triangle, square, rectangle, hexagon, pentagon. The most common types are square and rectangle, correct? The most common types are square and rectangle. And then we had parallel rows. Parallel rows means there are 2 rows and people are sitting in these rows, equal number of people also, sometimes different number of people also, and they can be facing each other, that they can be facing away from each other. There are many different possibilities. So these are the 4 types of questions that you can get in your seating arrangement questions. This one is a square seating arrangement. That means this is a polygon seating arrangement question. So 8 boys sitting in a square table. So let's say this is the table. Okay. 4 boys are sitting at the corners and 4 boys are sitting in the middle of the sides. So everybody is facing the center. So there are 4 boys at the corners like this, facing towards the center. And there are 4 boys at the middle of the edge, or you can call it side, facing towards the center like this. Okay. It is given to us J is the immediate neighbor of G and H and he is sitting at a corner. So J is sitting at a corner. He is the immediate neighbor of G and H. So this is your first possibility. There is also another possibility, correct? There could be another possibility. That means, let's say this is the second possibility. So 8 people facing towards the center. J is sitting at the corner. Let's say H is over here and G is over here. It is not given to us clearly, correct? So let's say H is over here and G is over here. M is the immediate neighbor of N and K. Let us hold this information. L is sitting in the middle of the side. So N is sitting in the middle of the sides. L can be over here also. L can be over here also. So this statement is also not usable currently because we have 2 possibilities for L. L is sitting at the middle. L can be here. L can be here. Similarly, in possibility 2 also, L can be here and L can be here. Now it is given to us G is not sitting opposite to L. So if G is not sitting opposite to L, possibility number 1, we can eliminate this possibility. L will be sitting over here. Correct? Similarly, if I look over here, possibility number 2, G is not sitting opposite to L. So L will go from here. L can come over here. Correct? Now it is given to us N is towards the immediate right of H. So N is to the immediate right of H. N will be over here. Similarly, in the first possibility, immediate right of H is J. So this possibility will not be true. This one, the second possibility, we will continue with. Now we will use this data. This data is M is the immediate neighbors of N and K. That means M sit between N and K, correct? So if N is over here, K will be over here and M will be in between N and K. Now we have only 1 empty positions. 1 empty positions, we have placed how many people? We have placed G, we have placed H, we have placed J, we have placed K, we have placed L, M and N. The only person remaining is I, therefore I will place I over here. This will be my final arrangement. Correct? This is my final arrangement. Now the question based on this arrangement is given in the next slide. So let us look at it. The question asks who is sitting diagonally opposite to I. So let us come to the diagram. We have I over here. Diagonally opposite is N. So my answer will be N is diagonally opposite to I. So if I look at the options, we have option number 3 N. N is diagonally opposite to I. This will be my answer. Clear? Option number 3 N. Let us look at question number 2. Question number 2 says that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people sitting on a sofa facing north. So again, a linear sitting arrangement question. Linear seating arrangement. Okay. This is a question from linear seating arrangement where everybody is facing towards the north. So if they're facing towards the north, this will be your right, this will be your left, correct? And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. So we will have 5 places. This will be the left end and this will be the right end, correct? Now, Z is sitting immediately next to Y. So Z is sitting immediately next to Y. It could be like this or it could be like this also. Because whether it is to the right of Y or it is left to the Y, it is not given to us. Okay. X is sitting immediate next to W. Similarly, if X is sitting immediately next to W, we can have two positions. X can be right of W or X can be left of W. So this much information is given, this much extra info is given to us, but we cannot use this information as of yet. Okay, let us move forward. V is sitting on the leftmost seat. So now I can place V over here. I can place V over here. X is at the second position from right. So second position from right will be 1, 2, X will come over here. Correct? Now we have Z and Y together and we have X and W together. So if I have to place Z and Y together, it could be like this only. We can have Z and Y position over here only. So over here we will have W. X and Y is yet to be determined. The question says Z and X are sitting together. So if Z and X are sitting together, over here we will have Z and over here we will have Y. So this will be my final arrangement. This is my final arrangement. Based on this arrangement, let us look at the question. The question asks who is sitting at the middle position. So we have 5 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the middle position, we have third, which is Z. So my answer will be option number 1, Z. Clear? My answer will be option number 1, Z. Coming to question number 3. Question number 3 says that there are 6 girls, Pooja, Kimat, Riti, Shweta, Tejaswini and Vinita, and they're sitting around a circular table. So 6 girls sitting around a circular table and all of them are facing towards the center of the table. So 6 people facing towards the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 girls facing towards the center. It is given to us that Tejaswini is the immediate neighbor of Vinita and Riti. So again, let's say Tejaswini is over here, Vinita can be here and Riti can be here. This is your first possibility. Now we also have another possibility. Okay, we also have another possibility. Let's say Tejaswini is over here. Let's say Rita is over here and Vinita is over here. Okay, because it is not clear to us in which position is Riti and which position is Vinita. So I am taking two possibilities. Pooja is to the immediate left of Vinita. So if Vinita is over here, Pooja will be over here. Similarly, if Vinita is over here, Pooja will be over here. But in this position, we already have Tejaswini. Therefore, this is not the correct possibility. We will continue with the first possibility. Okay. It is given to us Kimat is fourth to the right of Pooja. So Pooja is over here. Fourth to the right will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth to the right of Pooja, we will have Kimat. So Kimat will come over here. Okay. The only person remaining is, we have placed Pooja, we have placed Kimat, we have placed Riti, we have placed Tejaswini and we have placed Vinita. The only person remaining is Shweta. So I can place Shweta over here. This will be my final arrangement. Okay. This is my final arrangement. Now, based on this arrangement, it is another information also given to us that Shweta is to the immediate left of Pooja, which we can, obviously it is true as per the diagram. So the question says, it is given on the next slide. The question says, who is sitting to the immediate left of Shweta? So we have to find out who is to the immediate left of Shweta. So coming back to the diagram, we have Shweta over here. This will be to the immediate left, correct? This side will be to the immediate left, and at the immediate left we have Q, which stands for Kimat. So immediate left of Shweta we have Kimat. Kimat is given in option number 3. Therefore, my answer will be option number 3, Kimat. Clear? This will be my answer. Coming to question number 4. Question number 4, there are 7 girls, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. They are sitting in a straight row. So again, linear seating arrangement question facing the north. So 7 girls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And they are facing north. That means this direction. Correct? They are facing north. This will be the right direction and this will be the left direction. So this will be my left end and this will be my right end. Okay. Now, D sits third to the right of C, who sits at second position from the left hand. So C sits at second position from the left. That means C will come over here. Correct? C sits at second position from the left hand. So C will come over here. D sits third to the right of C. So 1, 2, 3, D will sit over here. D is third to the right of C. Okay? E is immediate neighbor of B and C. So if I place E over here, okay, I do not have a place for B. So I will place E over here and I will place B over here because E is immediate neighbors of B and C. Correct? Now, G sits to the left of C. To the left of C, we have only one position, so G can come over here. Now, 2 persons are not placed yet, A and F, and we have empty positions for them. It is given to us, A sits at the second position from the right end. So, from the right end, A will sit over here. Now, the only person remaining is F, so F will come over here. A is second from the right, so F will come over here. We have to identify which of the following statement is true. We have to identify which of the following statement is correct. Now, first statement says F sits at the extreme left end. No, F sits at the extreme right end. Therefore, this is incorrect. Right? This is incorrect. Moving on to statement number 2. Statement number 2 says B sits exactly between D and A. No, B does not sit exactly between D and A. B is between E and D. So, B sits exactly between D and E. So, this is also incorrect. Right? Moving on to statement number 3 or option number 3. Option number 3 says F sits at the extreme right end. So, this is the true statement. Let us check fourth statement. It says E sits to the immediate left of D. No, E is not immediate left of D. E is second to the left of D. It is second to the left of D. Therefore, this statement is also incorrect. We have to find out which is the true statement. The true statement is statement number 3. Therefore, my answer will be statement number 3 or option number 3. Clear? This will be my answer. Coming to question number 5. Question number 5 says 5 people are there that are sitting in a straight row facing north. So again, a linear seating arrangement question. They are sitting facing north. So this will be your right side and this will be your left side. Correct? This is your right side. This is your left side. 5 people. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people sitting in a row facing north. Okay. So this will be my left hand. This will be my right hand. The information says K sits to the immediate right of L. So K will come over here, immediate right of L. These are a pair. We have this information but we don't know where to place it yet. Okay. Only 2 people sit between L and I. Now this also information we cannot use right now because it could be like this or it could be like this. Correct? 2 possibilities are there. We cannot place it yet. M sits to the immediate right of I. So, immediate right of I means M will sit over here in these cases and to the immediate left of J. So, immediate left of J means it will sit like this. Correct? Over here, if I look at the first possibility, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positions. But we have only 5 people. Therefore, this is incorrect. So, we will come to the second one which says I, M, J and L. Correct? And after L, we have K. So, I can place it like this. I, M, J, L and after that K. This will be my final position. This will be my final arrangement. Based on this arrangement, the question asks who sits in the middle of the row. So, middle of the row we will have third position. Third position we have J. Therefore, my answer will be option number 1, J. Clear? My answer will be option number 1, J. J sits at the middle of the row. Clear? Moving on to question number 6. Question number 6, 5 teachers are there, H, K, P, R and T, that are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. So, 5 teachers are there facing towards the center. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? T is between H and R. So, two possibilities, T, H, R like this, or we can have another possibility, correct? We can have another possibility, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another possibility is R is over here and H is over here, correct? T is sitting between H and R. P is second to the right of R. So, second to the right of R means P will be over here. In this particular case, possibility number 2, if P is second to the right of R, P will be over here, but we already have H over here. Therefore, this possibility is not correct. We will continue with possibility number 1. Now, we have already placed H, we have placed T, we have placed R and P. The only person remaining is K, so I can say K will sit over here and this will be my final seating arrangement. Correct? Another information is given to us. H is to the immediate left of T. This is clear from the diagram. This much information was only required. This is basically redundant in nature. But this is there to confirm it to you that this is the correct diagram. Let us come to the question. The question asks, who is sitting to the immediate left of K? So, immediate left. This is the immediate right and this is the immediate left. So, immediate left of K, we have R. So, my answer will be option number 4, R. Clear? This will be my answer. Option number 4, R. Coming to question number 7. Question number 7, 6 friends are there. B, D, F, H, J and L that are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. So, 6 friends, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are facing the center. They are sitting around a circular table facing the center, not necessarily in the same order. B is to the immediate right of L. So, if L is over here, B will be over here. B is to the immediate right of L. Correct? D is second to the left of J. Let us hold this information. F is second to the left of H. Let us hold this information. L is second to the right of H. So, L is given to us is second to the right of H. So, H will be over here. L is second to the right of H. Correct? Now, we will come to this information which says F is second to the left of H. So, F is second to the left. That means F will come over here. F is second to the left of H. Now, we will come to this information. D is second to the left of J. So, if D is second to the left of J, D is second to the left of J. So, J will come over here and D will come over here. This will be my final arrangement. So, did you see we pick and choose information that is relevant? So, if you start solving the question one after the other statements, you might not get a clear picture. Just read the entire data, understand the flow of the data. Sometimes the statements or the information that you require in the earlier stage is given towards the end of the data. So, you have to identify which information you should use first and which information you should use last. So, this will come with a little practice. So, once you solve enough questions from seating arrangement, you will understand what data to use first and what data to correlate later on to get the clear picture. Okay, so based on this final arrangement, the question asks, who is sitting third to the left of F? So, F is over here, correct? Third to the left means 1, 2 and 3. Third to the left, we will have J. My answer will be option number 3, J. Clear? This will be my answer. Option number 3, J. Question number 8. Question number 8 says 6 persons are sitting in 2 straight rows facing north. So, again, this is a question of parallel row seating arrangement. Parallel row seating arrangement. Okay. In total, there are 6 people. So, in total, there are 6 people. That means they sit in 2 rows. 2 straight rows facing north. So, 3 people and 3 people. They are facing north. That means this will be the right side and this will be the left side. So, this is how we have to arrange them. The names of the people are Farhan, Utkarsh, Yugal, Krishna, Chaman and Manish. Okay. Farhan and Manish are sitting at diagonally opposite ends. Farhan and Manish are sitting at diagonally opposite ends. That means I can have Farhan over here and Manish over here. Correct? This is the first possibility. The second possibility is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I can have Farhan over here and I can have Manish over here. So first possibility and second possibility. Correct? I can have Farhan over here and I can have Manish over here. Now, Utkarsh is in the top row and to the immediate right of Farhan. Utkarsh is in the top row, immediate right of Farhan. So, immediate right means Utkarsh will be over here. In this possibility, can I say that Utkarsh is to the right of Farhan? No, because in this possibility, we do not have any position right of Farhan. Therefore, this is the incorrect one. Okay. Now, one more thing to remember. In this particular case, I assumed that Farhan is at the top and Manish is at the bottom. Let's say we can have actually two more possibilities. Two more possibilities would be that Farhan is over here, Manish is over here, and Farhan is over here, Manish is over here. So these possibilities are also possible. But it is given to us that Utkarsh is in the top row to the immediate right of Farhan. Therefore, these are nullified. These are not usable anymore. So this possibility we will stick with. Okay. Krishna is second to the left of Manish. So Manish is over here. Krishna is second to the left means Krishna will be over here. Correct? Krishna will be second to the left of Manish. Yugal and Krishna are not in the same row. So if Yugal is not in this row, Yugal will be in the top row. So Yugal will be over here. Now, out of the people, we have already placed Farhan, we have placed Utkarsh, we have placed Yugal, we have placed Krishna, and we have placed Manish. The only person remaining is Chaman, so automatically we can place Chaman over here. Correct? So this will be my final arrangement. This will be my final arrangement. This one. Okay, these are two rows. They are facing north. This is my final arrangement. Now, based on this arrangement, the question asks who is sitting at the diagonally opposite end of Yugal. So, diagonally opposite end means Yugal is over here. Diagonally opposite will be Krishna. So, my answer will be option number 2, Krishna. Clear? My answer will be option number 2, Krishna. Coming to question number 9. Question number 9 says that there are 5 boys, G, K, P, R and T, that are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. So 5 boys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sitting around this table facing towards the center, not necessarily in the same order. R is third to the left of K. So R is third to the left of K. That means K will sit over here. K will sit over here. R is third to the left. That means 1, 2 and 3. R is third to the left of K. That means if R is over here, K will be over here. R is third to the left of K. P and G are immediate neighbors of K. So if K is over here, P and G can come at these two positions. Which position we don't know yet. It is given to us that T is to the immediate left of P. So if T has to be to the immediate left of P, that means P will come over here and G will come over here. Correct? This will be my final arrangement. Now in the question it asks who is sitting second to the right of P. Second to the right of P. P is over here. Second to the right will be 1, 2. Second to the right we will have G, which is option number 1. So second to the right of P we will have G given in option number 1. Therefore this will be my answer. Clear? Let us come to question number 10. Question number 10 says that there are 6 shopkeepers K, P, R, X, A and C that are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. So 6 people sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. Okay. C is second to the left of A. So if A is over here, C will be over here, second to the left of A. Correct? P is to the immediate right of K. Let us hold this information. X is to the second to the right of R. Let us hold this information also. It is given to us A is to the immediate left of X. So A is to the immediate left of X. That means X will come over here. Correct? Now we will use this information. X is second to the right of R. So X is second to the right of R. That means R will come over here. and it is given to us that P is immediate right of K. So if P is immediate right of K, K will come over here and P will come over here. This will be my final arrangement. Okay. Now the question is, which of the following pair of shopkeepers represent the immediate neighbors of X? So X is over here. The immediate neighbors are K and A. So A and K is given in option number 1. Therefore, this will be my answer. A and K are the immediate neighbors of X. This will be my answer. Clear? So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.